Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigration. Today I will talk about what is the proof of funds or financial capacity. One of the basics of student visa applications is the requirement of proof of funds or financial capacity. For almost all countries, barring a few, students are required to provide evidentiary proof that they are able to not only pay for the fee but also normal living expenses for the duration of their stay in the country. Some universities ask for the same, but only after sending you an admission offer irrespective who asks for POF. The fact remains that proof of funds refers to the proof positive that the student would be able to bear the cost of studying abroad. The cost, if I talk about the costs include two chief components. Number one, fees and other university charges. Students are often required to make payment of their component in advance to confirm their admission offer. Since the payment is done upfront, the proof of this component comprises of receipt of payment made. Usually, universities don't require a student to provide proof of future payments. So, adding to it, since more often than not, the fees are revised. There is no fixed amount, even then, universities might request proof of income to ensure that you would be able to pay the fee in future as well. This might at times require sponsorship letters or affidavit of support. Some universities require proof of funds available in terms of a minimum balance required in special accounts, that is, Germany, Netherlands, Canada, etc. If I talk about living expenses, most of the countries have a basic minimum living expense requirement that is specified. The students are in turn requested to provide proof that they have access to the same. Most of the European countries require liquid funds in the amount specified available with the student called the statutory fund requirements. So in the USA, while there is no statutory amount specified in terms of minimum monthly expense, students would be required to provide proof of financial support and capacity to make the payments. Students need to provide documentary proof that they have access to that amount for the tenure specified. Again, a country might request proof of funds for 1 year. Depends upon you. 1 year, while some might ask for fund availability for the entire tenure of the course's normal duration. So you can also take a list from me of the countries and the minimum fund requirements. Their living expenses are specified. So one thing I want to share, for admission to universities in USA, the financial proofs are requested at the time of confirmation of admission by the universities. It's only when the proof are provided that the I-20s are issued by the universities. Also, as mentioned, there is no minimum requirement, but the university would provide a basic cost which the student would have to provide proof of capacity for. Is it? So if you have any kind of query, you can share your query in our comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. And also, you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 Our expert counselors will definitely guide you free of cost. They will tell you which country is better for you, which city is better for you, which course is better for you, and what is better for you. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy.